Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video, we'll discuss about the IPv6 or IP version 6 addresses. Before this, we already talked and discussed about the IPv4, and because of the depletion and the increasing number of the user in the internet, so IPv6 being introduced. So in this IPv6, the size of IP is different compared to the IP before. Okay, an IPv6 address is 128 bits long. This one is the size of the IP address. So in IPv4, we only have 32 bits. So in IPv6, we have 128 bits, equivalent to the 16 bytes and 32 hexadecimal digit. So you should know the notation for the IPv6. So in IPv6, it being represented in the hexadecimal digit. So example here, we have FDEC double colon, we have 0074 double colon, so number of byte 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, this one in the binary notation, this one in the hexadecimal notation. So the original IPv6 representation, this is the original. Okay, content of 16 byte. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and each have 4 digit in hexadecimal. 1 digit in hexadecimal equal to 4 digit in the binary. So 4 times 4 equal to 16 bit. So we can compress this original notation of the IPv6 from the original to this one. We call it as abbreviated. So the 0 we can simplify, change to 0, 0 and 0. So that means if we have 0, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, we can simplify using only one digit of 0 instead of write 4. And we also can remove all the 0. Okay, let's say here we have 0074, so we can write as 74. This one we have B0FF, because this one we have B and then 0 and then FF, so we cannot remove this 0. Okay, the same goes to this one. We have FFF, so we cannot remove this 0. Because if you remove this 0, when you convert, let's say you remove this one as FFF, so when you convert from the hexadecimal to binary, it will give another value. So you can remove this 0. You only can remove 0 if they are all 0 or the 0 located at the fronts of the numbers. Okay. The next part, from this one, you can simplify this IPv6 because we have 0, 0, 0, we have 3, 0. So you can replace with this gap. FDEC double colon 74 double colon here, and then B0FF. Okay, this 3 goes to only 1 with the gap. So this is how we can simplify the original form of the IPv6 into the abbreviated address. Okay, example here, expand the address 0 15. Okay, double here. 1, 12, 1, 2, 1, 3 to the original one. So here 0, actually we have 0, 0, 0, 0. We have 4 0 at this point. Okay, and then at this point we have 1, 5. Okay, the original part we must have 0, 0, 1, 5. Okay, at this one we have 2. So that means we have 3 zeros. So 1, at the front we must have add another 3 zeros. So another 2 0 before 1 2 and 1 2 1 3. So first you need to know the original pattern of the IPv6. Okay, transform based on this one. So you just add 0 to the x value. So that's mean based on this address, this is the original address of this IP address. So supposedly you should know how to expand and how to simplify. So in the addressing, we already learned about the IPv4 and IPv6. In IPv6, it uses the hexadecimal notation. In IPv4, usually we use the decimal notation. So that's all. Hopefully everyone should know how to differentiate between the IPv4 and IPv6 and know how to do the notation or represent the hexadecimal, abbreviated the original IPv6 and expand the abbreviated IPv6 address to the original address. So that's all. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.